That Hamster Kombat has really changed the interface of their bot. So now if you want to get your daily reward, you just have to click on this daily reward portion and it will take you to this section. And if you have to set your daily combo, you can see that both are marked, which means that this too has been done already. So we have 23 hours left to claim our today's daily cipher. So I just click on this daily cipher section and it brings the daily cipher section. So our daily cipher code for tonight, or most code for tonight, is farm. So we start by cracking them one after the other. The first letter is F, which is dot dot dash dot, or which is the same thing as short short long short. So we have short short long short. That's for F. The next letter is A, which is short long, or dot dash short long. So that is for A. Then the next letter is R, which is short long short, or dot dash dot. Whichever one that you understand is okay. So I'm going to use dot dash dot, dot dash dot. So that is for R. And the next letter is M, which is long long, or dash dash. It's long long. So that is that. All right, thank you for checking in today again. See you tomorrow again.